Since the very beginning, the human DNA has been imprinted with the urge to never stop exploring, progressing, and evolving to reach the highest excellence in life. In business, starting or growing a company or a brand requires an extraordinary organizational skill and the superb industry expertise for a company or a brand to succeed. Only those who have exceptional perseverance, discipline, and the intelligence to learn how to quickly adapt to a new environment have a chance to survive and thrive in today's competitive market. The majority of participants who lack these skills will be eliminated in a zero-sum game of real-world competition where many brands never make it or become extinct and forgotten, like the once legendary Kodak 35mm film that refused to follow the rules of today's unforgiving marketplace. For over 20 years, Alpha Corporate Sales has been helping large and small businesses grow their sales and establish new brands in 29 countries. Our firm has pioneered in the field of enterprise sales training and marketing by incorporating consumer psychology and neuroscience into our proprietary sales and marketing methodology. Hence, consumer neuromarketing was born. Companies who used our proprietary system were able to successfully promote their brands and double their sales revenue within the first year. Those who continue to do business the old-fashioned way simply get eliminated and disappear, like the once popular Blockbuster video rental stores. We have the expertise to help you build your brand DNA and expand. Today, Alpha Corporate Sales is a leading global business development firm with a primary focus on new brand marketing, public relations, and executive sales coaching. With over 500 representatives worldwide, we are one of the largest and oldest firms in the field of sales and marketing. Yet we're still independent, nimble, and extremely flexible. Our proprietary selling methodology has been time-tested under different market conditions, and it can revolutionize the way you market your brand and grow your company and stay profitable for the next 5 years. We have unlocked the code how to communicate with the subconscious mind of the buyers in 29 countries who will be ready to buy your products and services. We will give you the keys to the human mind and the way the subconscious works to strategically grow your company or brand. Welcome to Alpha Corporate Sales, where we help companies grow.